Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with the benefits of drinking healthy smoothies for weight loss and optimal health. Drinking healthy smoothies is a perfect way to eat healthy, lose fat, maintain healthy weight, and improve physical and mental conditions. So let's get started with the enormous benefits of drinking healthy smoothies. Number 1. Weight loss is effortless when you add fruits like berries and protein-rich vegetables like red peppers to your smoothie recipes. Number 2, drinking smoothies in the morning helps us hydrate much more than coffee. Number 3, adding half avocado to your smoothie will keep you feeling full and prevent snacking, helping you to lose weight. Number 4, breakfast smoothies packed with spinach, Greek yogurt, hemp protein, cottage cheese, and almonds reduce snack cravings. Number 5, get acid reflux and heartburn relief from green smoothies made with spinach, carrots, kale, strawberries, celery, blueberries, and collard greens. Number 6, matcha smoothies protect against heart disease, cancer, blood sugar regulation, blood pressure reduction, and boost metabolism for weight loss. Check the link in the description box for more information on matcha. Number 7, sweet potato smoothies add beta-carotene and immunity booster that strengthens your eyes as well as your bones. Number 8, magnesium and calcium-rich kiwis, bananas, and oats added to your smoothies provide sleep benefits which aid in your weight loss. Number 9, cleansing foods like garlic, papaya, and beets help detox the liver and aids with weight loss efforts. Number 10, smoothies made with coconut boost your brain with omega-3 fatty acids. Number 11, drinking fruit and vegetable smoothies daily make you feel happy and positive about your life. Number 12, folic acid-rich broccoli, citrus fruits, bananas, peas, and spinach added to smoothies keep your mood good. Number 13, milk-based smoothies with kefir, almond milk, or soy milk boost calcium intake. Number 14, smoothies made with strawberries, blueberries, and grapes prevent illness as well as cancer. Number 15, smoothies made with raspberries, pears, apples, avocado, bananas, and oranges will help you meet your dietary goals for fiber of 25 to 30 grams for optimal health. Number 16, spinach and broccoli green smoothies build strong bones from the magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus nutrients as well as vitamin K. Number 17, fruit and vegetable smoothies reduce the risk of heart disease, increasing our healthy lifespan. Number 18, drinking smoothies made with dark green leafy vegetables reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 19, smoothies with vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and kale potentially protect you against cancer. Number 20, adding avocado and coconut oil to your smoothies will help balance your hormones. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel where you'll find videos on healthy eating, exercise strategies, and health tips. Stay safe and healthy.